Hi there, Forex traders, and welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. Please join us here daily to view valuable trading content and tips to become a better trader. In today's video, Mastering Forex Trading, the ultimate guide to generating profit, we will be sharing valuable tips that can help you make money in Forex trading consistently. The key to success in Forex trading is to have a well-defined strategy. Without a strategy, you're just relying on luck, and that's not a recipe for consistent profits. So, let's dive into the step-by-step process of developing a winning Forex trading strategy. Step 1. Identify your trading goals. What are you looking to achieve through Forex trading? Define your financial objectives and time frame. This will help you stay focused and motivated. Step 2. Understand the market. Study different currency pairs, economic indicators, and global events that impact Forex. Knowledge is power in Forex trading, and by staying informed, you can make more informed decisions. Step 3. Create a risk management plan. Forex trading involves risks, and it's important to protect your capital. Determine how much you're willing to risk on each trade and set stop-loss orders to limit potential losses. Step 4. Develop your trading strategy. This includes analyzing charts, using technical indicators, and identifying key entry and exit points. Remember, a well-thought-out strategy is your ultimate weapon in the Forex market. Step 5. Practice, practice, practice. Before risking real money, use a demo account to test your strategy in a simulated trading environment. This will help you refine your approach and gain confidence. Lastly, Step 6. Stay disciplined and emotional. Emotions like fear and greed can cloud your judgment and lead to impulsive decisions. Stick to your plan, trust your strategy, and avoid emotional trading. By following these 6 steps, you can increase your chances of making money in Forex trading. Remember, Forex trading is a journey, and success comes with patience, dedication, and a solid strategy. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more valuable tips and strategies. Happy trading!